Definitions of biochar. The science of biochar is still emerging, so there is no single definition for the term. Biochar is another name for charcoal used for particular purposes other than combustion. Like all charcoal, biochar is created by the pyrolysis of biomass. Biochar's typical physical and chemical composition allows beneficial application in a variety of sectors. The following statements provide clarification on the definition of biochar. The term biochar is used mainly in the context of soil fertility enhancement and management. The prefix bio in biochar implies living, that is the microbial life in the char. Biochar is a charcoal, that is carbonaceous material produced from biomass for good use. Biochar is produced from biomass at temperatures between 300 to 800 degrees centigrade or around 350 to 750 degrees centigrade. Biochar produced as a byproduct in biomass cook stoves falls within this temperature range. The biochar produced at temperatures above 800 degrees centigrade or below 300 degrees centigrade can also be used for various purposes, but it is much less effective. The uses of biochar as part of biochar culture include its application in the areas of soil management, livestock, biomass energy, water purification, green habitats, sanitation, food, health, etc. As a geoengineering process, application of biochar addresses environmental and livelihood issues of communities. A porous material, biochar increases water retention, simulates symbiotic nitrogen fixation in legumes, and creates a cozy home for bacteria, microorganisms, fungi, minerals, and nutrients in general. This leads to improved nutrient supply for plants and reduced nutrient losses due to leaching. Biochar, as a relatively stable form of carbon, is still found in ancient terra preta soils of the Amazon basin, and this could be considered as a long-term carbon sink.